In a tough economy, we're always looking for new ways to earn money. One of the most interesting things out there, a little something known as peer-to-peer services.
So that can be anything from renting out an extra bedroom for a night to lending your car for a few hours. Financial contributor Carmen Wong Ulrich is here to tell us exactly what that is, because I had never heard of this peer-to-peer.
Yeah.
Never heard of it.
P2P.
P2P. What is P2P? What is
Here's the
it?
thing. It's part of what's called the sharing economy now. This is community collaborative consumption, where people are going online and basically putting up items that they own or services that they have and putting them up for sale. So you've got people selling and making transactions with other people as opposed to retailers.
Sort of like the new way to do a classified ad.
It is. Consider it like the contemporary version of, the flyer you put up in your neighborhood for dog walking.
Yes.
But here's the thing, because you've got the web, you've got this easy access to basically putting your information and your skills out there, what you have out there, and also the ease of the financial transaction, which is all with the credit cards now. So you don't have to wait for checks to clear or people to pay you in cash.
And there are a lot of options out there, very personal ones. You can rent out your home.
Yes, you can. And this is one of those that's been tried and true. One of the biggest sites for this is Airbnb, and it's international. So it's in thousands of cities across the world, and in this nation there's millions of homes booked. So here's the thing, you go and you put in, for example, I put in my zip code to see how much could I get if I rented out an extra room in my neighborhood. $75 a day, not bad, $22.50 a month.
I actually get that. You sort of lost me when I heard about a community loo, because I don't like stained bottoms on my toilet.
I'm with you on that one, Gayle.
This is a good one.
Like that
this is an
How
app.
does that work?
The community loo, it's called Clue, C-L-O-O, and this is a smartphone app that is launching in the spring that basically, with your friend network, through your social network, through Facebook and through Twitter, basically links your friends together to let you put up for sale your use of your bathroom. So if you're in an urban area, if you're in a city and you're looking for Starbucks and your friend of a friend is around and really needs to go, they go onto the app, you get paid a little bit of money, a couple bucks, but also they have corporate sponsorships that basically will stock your bathroom with paper products.
You know what's wrong about that? It's your friends. Just let
things.
them use your bathroom.
There are
Don't
lots of
charge
things
them.
wrong with that, by the way, but it's interesting.
What about safety issues? Because I'm thinking there's really, or is there a way to vet people?
Yes, there is. And this is the thing that a lot of the sites have realized, that they have to make sure that there's protection in hand, because when you're dealing with strangers coming into your home or using your merchandise, that's something that you really got to take care of. So what they do is they have background checks, for example, if it's about your services. Also, Airbnb has an extra $50,000 insurance policy should anything happen to your home. You need to make sure that your renters or homeowners insurance is up to date, and be really careful, because some insurance policies won't cover you if someone is using something that you own.
Well, which brings up cars, because there are now people who are renting out sort of time with their car, and I would think insurance is an issue there too.
Insurance is a really big issue. A couple of the sites that do this is getaround.com and Relay Rides, and here's how they work. Basically, they'll put a security system on your car, and in a way that someone can go to your car and basically swipe a card and the car unlocks. That's about $500 upfront fee.
It's installed
for
car.
free. Exactly. You turn your car into a zip car. So they get a third of the hourly rate. But here's what their numbers are: 10 hours a week you rent out a car, that's about $3,000 a year. It's something, it's additional, but you have to make sure there is extra insurance on some of these sites. But in many states, you will not be covered under your auto policy liability if somebody takes your car, rents it, and hurts somebody else. So be very careful.
I'm not sold on the bathroom, but something to think about.
Me either.
Thank you,
And
Carmen.
if you're in the neighborhood and you need mine,
I don't think we'll be doing
Thank you.
Carmen, you too, always.